Hello everyone, welcome to Pear's channel. Today we'll introduce how to install the gas spring. When installing the gas spring, some people do it in this way. The piston rod is facing up, while some people do it in the other way. The piston rod is facing down. Actually, the second way is the correct way. Mostly inside the cylinder, there is partial oil for lubricating seal and damping function. If the piston rod faces down, when the extending process happens, the speed will decrease when the piston rod goes through the oil area. That's what we call damping function. But if the piston rod faces up, the oil will be in the cylinder end because of the gravity. Then the piston rod will not slow down when extending. The working effect will not be that good, and it is not good for the circuit's life of the gas spring either. Thanks for watching this video, and welcome to visit our company website.